The first thing you're going to do is go to your start window, click on Microsoft Office, and open up PowerPoint. Then you're going to go up to Layout and click Blank Slide so that your slide has nothing at all on it and looks like this. Next, you're going to go up to the tab that says Insert. So if you're on Home, you're going to click Insert, and you're going to click on Shapes, and then you're going to pick a line. Then you're going to move over back to your screen, and you're going to draw a line in the middle of your screen. So I'm going to click at the top of my and just draw it pretty straight down the middle. Now it's starting to look more like a postcard, but first I have to add my stamp. So I'm going to go back up to the toolbar, click Shapes, and I'm going to click on this one, which will be right here for you. And you move back to your screen, and a stamp on a postcard is going to go in the top right corner. So I'm going to put it there, but I don't want it to, well, that one is actually okay. Now I have to add my text boxes to put some words into this. So I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to click text box. Move back to my postcard. I'm going to put one up here to put an address in. And then I'm going to put another one where I can put my information in. That's going to go in there. My other one went away. So I need to go back, insert, text box. And then when you come back, you can add this so that it gets larger. That's not what I want to do. It's going to go up in the left corner, and then this will eventually be full size. But for right now, that's all we need. Next, you're going to go back down to your start bar, and you're going to click on, if you can see this, Explore. You're going to go to Britannica.com. And this is where you're going to search for information. From this website, you're going to search from a list of places that I've provided, which I can show you. The places you can research are from this list, which you also have a copy of. So you can choose from any of these places, and you're going to go to the website and type in whichever one, like, that you want to record or you want to research. So once you get here, it will provide you with a list of information for you to read through. And you'll choose from this information to add information to your postcard. So as I read about the Tower of Pisa, I would say that some important information was that it was started being built in 1173 in Italy. So I would go back to my slide and I would add information. Now I want it to sound like a letter. So I would start with Dear Mom and Dad. Today that would give me a start to some information. Now I know through my research that the Tower of Pisa, which should be capitalized, is in Italy. Now in my address bar, I'm going to put the address I would be sending maybe the postcard to. So that would be I need to make this bigger so my text can fit into it. And then as you research, you're going to find more information to put in this box. The kinds of information I want you to include will be to tell about the place you're researching, what continent it's on, what country you're in, things you can see, important information about the place, and why you wanted to visit. So this is the kind of thing you would send when you wrote home. This is also going to be the information you have to research about whichever place you choose to find. Now, after you finish this information and you put it in your PowerPoint, you're going to, on your PowerPoint, add a picture from your trip. So you'll go up to Insert, and you'll click Clip Art. That'll open this box. And I typed in Tower of Pisa. So you're going to pick a picture. I like this one because it looks like an actual photograph. Double click on that. It'll move it into your slide. And now you have to format this picture to fit better. So I'm going to move it over. Click on it twice. And then you're going to make it fit better in this box. You don't want it to go over onto the side with the letter. So I'm going to need to make that a little bit smaller. A little bit smaller. So now it fits on that half of my postcard. And then you're going to finish this information with all the information I've asked you to find. And then once this is finished, I wonder if I could even find, you're going to save. You're going to go up to your toolbar again, click File, Save As. And you can save it as Postcard, and then your name if you want, and then click Save. And once this is finished, you're gonna get a checklist to check through and make sure you have everything you had to have on your rubric to make sure you get all the points necessary, and then you can check in with me to get it checked to make sure you're finished. And that should do it.